In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save an Inkscape file as a PDF the correct way. If you're preparing graphics for printing, sharing vector artwork, or sending designs to a client, exporting to PDF is one of the most reliable formats you can use. The good news is that Inkscape makes this process very simple, but there are a few important settings you should check to make sure your PDF looks perfect on any computer. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, including canvas preparation, the correct save method, the best PDF settings, and how text behaves when exporting. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do before exporting your PDF is prepare your canvas properly. In Inkscape, anything outside the page boundary will not appear in the final PDF file. That means if part of your artwork sits outside the page edges, it will be cut off when exported. So take a moment to make sure all your artwork is positioned inside the page borders. Next, press Ctrl plus Shift plus D on your keyboard to open the Document Properties window. Inside this panel, you should verify that the page width and height match the output size you want. For example, if you're creating a document meant for printing, you may want standard sizes like A4 or letter. You should also check the orientation setting and make sure it is set to either portrait or a landscape depending on your layout. Once your page size and orientation are correct, you're ready to export your file as a PDF. Now let's move on to the standard save method. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open the Save As window. This is where you choose the format you want to export. Navigate to the folder where you want your PDF to be saved and enter the file name you want to use. Next, open the Save As Type drop-down menu and select Portable Document Format, which will appear as star.pdf. After selecting PDF, click Save. This will open the PDF as Export Settings dialog where you can control exactly how your document is exported. These settings are very important, especially if you're sharing files with clients, printers, or collaborators. At the top, you'll see the PDF version option. In most cases, you should keep the default version, which is PDF 1.5. This version works reliably across modern browsers and PDF readers, so it's usually the safest choice. Next is the text output option. You have two main choices here. The first option is embed fonts. This keeps your text sharp, searchable, and editable when the PDF is opened on another computer. The second option is convert text to paths. This converts your letters into vector shapes so the appearance will never change even if the font is missing on another system. Many designers choose this option when sending files to print shops to avoid font compatibility issues. Another important setting is rasterized filter effects. If your design uses effects like blurs, shadows, or transparency, you should enable this option. When you do, set the resolution to around 300 dpi to maintain high quality for printing. Next, look at the export area setting. By default, Inkscape exports the entire page. However, if you only want to export specific objects, select those objects first using the selection tool, which you can activate by pressing S on your keyboard. Then, in the PDF settings window, uncheck the option that says Export Area is Page. This allows you to export only the selected elements instead of the full page. Now, there is one more thing you should understand when exporting text. If you chose the Convert Text to Paths option earlier, your text will become vector shapes inside the PDF. This means the text is no longer editable as normal font characters. Instead, each letter becomes part of a vector path. Also remember that text converted to paths cannot simply be ungrouped back into editable text. If you ever need to modify individual characters, you'll need to work with path editing tools instead. Before we wrap up, here are a few useful shortcuts that can speed up your workflow in Inkscape. Press S to activate the selection tool. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus to open Document Properties. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open the Save As window. If you work with clipping paths, Ctrl plus M sets a clip and Alt plus M releases a clip. And that's it. That's the complete process for saving an Inkscape design as a PDF while making sure your document exports correctly every time. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Inkscape and design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.